the reason why the city are getting overcrowded. And now I live in a small province in the
Mhm.
center of Vietnam. So I just feel like it's a very peaceful and it has fresh air here, and I want to
Mhm.
live there for a long time. And I think that uh, uh, so I think people should avoid the city in the future
That's
because
one of my questions. Okay.
yeah, be, because
So you think people shouldn't move to the city? They should stop.
yeah,
And what is the alternative? What should they do for their work and recreation?
I think people should find a shop outside the city. For
Mhm.
example, in the outskirts or the suburbs, so
Mhm.
they can avoid the traffic jams in the rush hours.
So they can avoid traffic jams during rush hour. Yeah,
Yes.
okay. That makes sense. So you think the problem is just like inconvenience, but there's no problem with the environment or psychology. That's fine, right? Some people
Yes.
might say that the problem with overcrowded cities is pollution.
It's air
I,
pollution.
I don't know. I honestly, I think maybe there will be air pollution in the city, but not everywhere else. So I don't think it's a problem. What do you think?
Mm, the air pollution is not a problem. You think that?
I mean, it's like the traffic, right? So you live in a city and you have to deal with traffic. You live in a
Uh,
city and you have to deal with smog or air pollution. But like the air pollution in the city doesn't affect the countryside. Water pollution might affect the countryside, but I don't think air pollution it just affects the city. But then again, in the city, there's no plants, there's no farms in the city, so they can have air pollution. Who cares? Someone said traffic congestion and exhaust fumes, right? Someone says traffic jam, right? Dude, there's no timetable. It's like if I go live, it will be at 9:30. So you can just like you'll get a notification at 9:30. And the goal is to do it like every other day. Um, but yeah, so real quick, Wade, right? I asked you about the pollution. What's your opinion there? You can
um,
always go with the good for me, good for you, good for everybody to come up with ideas of what to say. Were you here when I explained that? If someone asks you a question and you're not sure, you don't have a strong opinion, right? First think, is it good for me? So I said, people who go to the city, they might have some air pollution, but I don't think it's a problem. I don't think it's that bad. So you would say air pollution, is it good or bad for me? What's my opinion about air pollution for me? So I don't like air pollution because, if I'm in the city, I will feel sick. And then you'll say other people, so me and then you or someone else. So you or other people also might feel sick if there's air pollution.